Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda and this is Brenda Views. So today I have a special video for you guys. I know I always say that, but this is like a really special video for us. I'm going to show you an unboxing and a review on my daughter's first Louis Vuitton purse. So her birthday's in May and she's gonna be 11, and we wanted to do something special for her and give her a little early birthday gift because she's just been amazing. Straight A's, never been absent. She helps out around the house so much. She's just amazing, and we are, you know, it's just a special moment that we're able to do this for us. My husband has worked so hard to get his business where it is now, so it's an absolute pleasure that we're able to do this. We have been through it. We've been through rough times, don't get it twisted. We really have, but we also have worked hard and sacrificed a lot to get where we are now. So this is a special moment for us, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And if you guys are interested in this purse, you guys, I could give you a little review on it. So this is the Alma BB in the monogram. So she's been wanting the mini Palm Spring backpack. I did a review on my PM. It's the smaller one, but you guys, it's sold out everywhere. Every single Louis Vuitton store, it's sold out at this time. So then she was like, what about the bum bag? Like, you know, the bum bag is the belt bag. If you guys are not familiar with those, it's the belt bag from Louis Vuitton, and it's sold out as well. We work with a guy that every time we need items, he is in Beverly Hills and Rodeo Drive. His name is Edgar, and he is amazing in finding stuff, and even he couldn't find any of them for us. So I was also looking at pre-loved on both. They were actually more expensive and they were used. Like, you could really tell like they weren't at its best shape. So I'd rather just wait for new ones to come back in stock, and then we'll go from there. But for now, we got her the Alma BB, and this is it. It's absolutely adorable, guys. So she already unboxed it, and I'm gonna show you guys that clip in a minute, but I wanted to do a little in-depth review before we get into that. And here it is. So this is the Alma BB in the monogram, and guys, this one in length is 9.8 inches, in height is 7.5 inches, and in width is 4.7 inches. So yes, it's a little mini bag, and it's so cute, guys. So this one, this is the natural cowhide leather trimming and key bell. So this is either a hand purse or a crossbody purse. So this one does come with the strap. This one does not come with the strap. This one you need to buy the strap separately, and I think we bought it for like $800 extra. So just keep that in mind, that the PMs do not come with a strap. All the BBs do come with a strap. So yes, there you go. So back to my review. This is the double zipper. Let me take this off because it's like not working with me. So it's a double zipper, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So she has the iPhone Max, that big huge one, and it actually fits in here pretty good, as well as a little wallet and other stuff. So it is pretty roomy for her. I am gonna use this purse, I'm not gonna lie. I absolutely love it, but it couldn't be my everyday purse because, you know, I have so much stuff I carry. But for her, it's absolutely perfect to use as an everyday purse. I'm sorry. So the interior does have one patch, what's it called? The interior does have one patch pocket in here, and it does have the protective button studs. These are amazing. These guys, almost every purse comes with them, because if you put your purse down, you do not want to set it just straight on the table because it will get damaged. Of course, you don't want to put it in where it's dirty either. You still want to protect it, but at the same time, it does have a little protection on the bottom. And the padlock, you guys look at and the detail on it. It has the LV. This particular purse was made in Paris, and the Louis Vuitton will always tell you where they're made, and this one is made in Paris. So the padlock does come, and I did show you guys this. So it comes with the keys, and it does, the little patch has the Louis Vuitton symbols. Here are the keys. And you guys could close it. You guys could close your little lock, and it actually works. It actually opens the purse. It actually opens the padlock. You guys don't have to use it. It comes with its little own dust bag. If you don't want to use it, you could just put it in here, but you really want to take care of it, guys, because if you lose it, I think these little padlocks by themselves are like $100 and something. So look at the detail in this. Every button has Louis Vuitton in it. The zippers have LV in it. The protective studs say Louis Vuitton in it. The stitching is amazing. It is, you know, I know a lot of replicas out there, and I'm not knocking replicas, trust me, like I'm down for it, but it is a huge difference. So you do get what you pay for, and it's just a beautiful purse. The detail, everything is just amazing in it. And yeah, so I brought my purse so you guys could see the difference. So this one in length is 12.8 inches, and height is 9.5 inches, and width is 6 inches. So here you guys go. This is the difference. This is the BB, this is the PM, and then there's still a bigger one. And I actually thought I wanted that bigger one, but I don't know if I want it anymore. But they're sold out anywhere, so even if I did want it, what does it matter, because I swear they're sold out everywhere. So you guys have to keep in mind, I bought my Artsy. My Artsy's a couple years old. It's the same leather, guys. You have to keep in mind, and those that own Louis Vuitton purses already know that this leather is hard to mimic because it does get this brown. No matter what, no matter how you take care of it, it will end up getting brown, and it even gets darker after this. So if you guys seen the purses that have like the dark brown straps, they are real. I've had questions like, oh, those aren't real. Like we had seen, I was with my friend, and she's like, oh, that lady has a fake Louis Vuitton because of the her strap was brown. I was like, well, no, they actually all get this brown, or even darker. They get like a super dark brown. They start off like this, and then they turn into this, and then they turn into the darker brown. So just to let you guys know, if you guys get the monogram with this particular leather, they will get darker. So it's not going to look like this always. The more it ages, the more the color is going to change, and it's fine. It's beautiful. The color it turns into, I love it. I think it's absolutely amazing. So yes, here it is, and this purse is super cute. This is not a really like high maintenance purse, because if you guys could, I had got a little bit of milk because I have kids that they splattered on this one, and all I had to do is wipe it off, and there it is. It's like brand new. So these purses are really not high maintenance, guys. They're like absolutely like perfect. They really are. So this one retailed at $12.50, and after taxes and everything, it came out to $13.50. This one, which is the PM, is $1,500 more, and this is the difference in size, BB and PM. Just so you guys could see, if you guys are interested in it, that what the sizing and everything and the pricing is. Here you go. Yes. So I just wanted to do that review so you guys could look at it close up. If you guys are interested in this purse, you go ahead and get it because it's absolutely cute. And then I'll see you guys in her room so she could do the unboxing. See you in a bit. So, say hello. Hello. This is Brooklyn. Hi. And do you see anything different in your room? That? Yeah. So that's for you. Daddy got it for you for your birthday. I know it's like in 2 months, but it's an early birthday. Come over here because we can't see because of your your veil. It's a veil that is a canopy. Or whatever it is. A canopy. Are you excited? It's your first Louis Vuitton. Yes, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's really cute. Oh my god! Wow! I know. Open it. I think it should have the straps to it. Oh, you could do it as a crossbody? Well, it comes with rules, like you have to share it with mommy.
Bruh.
Oh, okay. I didn't.
That's rule number 1, share it with mommy.
All right, listen up. Before we go any further, I'm gonna lay down a few rules, all right? Commandment number 1, shut the hell up. Commandment number 2, there's nothing I can do about the sun. Commandment number 3, there are no more Jolly Ranchers, they're all gone. Commandment number 4, when we pass a billboard, please don't read it out loud, all right? Now come on, let's get going.
I already knew that. This is adorable.
It really is. Let me see something real quick. Put it on and then you can try it on real quick, and then that way you could do a little review on it or a first impression on it.
This is adorable. I'm gonna wear this every day.
Except for when mommy wears it. Just kidding.
This is like
Oh my god, it's super cute. I love it.
I just love this so much.
Aw, say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Love you.
Right now you could call him.
I love this so much.
Okay, so let me see it real quick. Alright guys, so the thing you have to know is, come hold the camera real quick so I could do the, hold it like this so I could, so okay guys, so with the BB, it actually comes, where did you leave the strap?
Over there.
Okay, it actually comes with a strap. The Alma PM, which is mine, does not come with the strap, so if you want to buy the strap, I think it's like $800 extra, so that's like a whole nother purse. But this one actually, all the BBs actually come with the strap, and so that is a good thing. So it does come with, it should have a little, oh there it is, I'll grab it.
Adorable.
So all the Almas, which is this style, whether it's the BB or the PM, come with a lock, and here's a lock right here.
Oh, it does come with the lock. I thought it didn't.
Yeah, because these are the keys.
Because I didn't know that what was in there. I thought it was like buttons or something.
Yeah, these are the keys right here. So it's really just for look. I don't lock mine, but
You just sip it.
I do because I have too many kids to be trying to lock anything.
I'm gonna lock it. Actually,
You are?
no. Oh, I don't know.
Well, I'll just leave it unlocked and then you could decide later. So you could actually lock these two together, or I don't lock mine like I said. Maybe I should, but they all come with a...
I'm gonna lock mine.
You're gonna lock it?
Yeah.
So this is the natural cowhide leather trimming, and then the key belt. Then it has the hand and cross to carry. It has the double zippers, and then this is actually called a padlock for the padlock closure. The interior looks like this. So mine is the demier, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but this is actually, so mine is red on the inside and this is actually brown. And it's brown. It also has these, which are the protective button studs. So these are amazing, guys, because if you put your purse down, like, it doesn't sit all the way down, so the leather is not going to get as messed up. So you still have to be really careful with this one. With this one that has this type of leather, does get brown after a while. Like, it's not going to stay this color for long. It's going to start getting darker and darker and darker till it turns into a dark brown. It just depends on how much you carry it, how much you take care of it. But it also, it's, you know, Louis Vuitton is meant for this actual leather to get that dark, and it's a really, really beautiful dark brown once it gets its uses. And my artsy's getting, you could tell that it's getting that color already, but it's not there quite yet. And I've had my artsy for 2 years. So, and look at this, look at the detail on this, guys. It's amazing. Gosh, it is super, super adorable.
I love this purse.
I know, I love it too. So it has a Louis Vuitton Paris right here, and this is what it looks like. So here you have the little LVs on both of the zippers. And here it is. It's beautiful. So if you want to take care, put away your little padlock, and you want to switch purses, make sure you put it in here.
I'm never gonna want to switch purses.
I know. Oh, you will, trust me. So here it is, guys. It's absolutely adorable. This one retailed at $1,250, and I think we ended up paying $1,350 with shipping and all of that. Or I think it's free shipping. I don't know. I just know it's we ended up paying $1,350 for it. So it is adorable. And here you go. This is it. Super cute.
Adorable.
So just take care of it. Oh, let me see what fits in here. So I've had a BB before, and I actually had to exchange it for the PM because nothing fit in there. But this is my phone. I have the iPhone X. Where's your phone?
My phone's over there.
Oh, let me see your phone. So she has the iPhone X Plus, which is this big old thing. And I'm just gonna show it to you so you guys could see what it looks like in there. So here it is. That big phone fits in here, and she still could fit her sunglasses, her wallet, just little stuff like that. So it is pretty roomy for her. For me, I have way too much other stuff, but here it is. We're Twinkie. So here they are. This is side by side. This is the BM. Sorry, this is the PP. Jesus.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I'm sorry. This is the BB, and this is the PM. You see the size difference, and this is a demier, and this is the monogram. So here they are. How cute are those? So yes, guys. Again, I do have the strap for this, but I did have to purchase it separately, and this one came with it. So it's awesome. Yes, you can. So, oops. So that's my video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and it just, yes, it really means a lot to me, you know, to be able to share this with you guys. It was like a special moment. Again, this is the very first purchase, her very first Louis Vuitton purse. So yes, I will see you next time. So my next video is going to be on my eyelashes, that I got my eyelashes done like I said earlier. So I'll be doing that. I'll post that video later, and well, not tonight. I'll post it later on in the week so you guys could see that, and I hope you guys tune into that and say bye.
Bye.
We'll see you next time.